Did you know the most powerful man on earth once walked away from everything by choice and refused to come back? In 305 AD, the Roman Emperor Diocletian ruled an empire of tens of millions. He had spent 20 years pulling Rome back from the edge of collapse. He reorganized its military, its government, its economy. He held it all together through sheer force of will. Then he simply stopped. He retired to a massive palace on the coast of what is now Croatia and spent his days growing vegetables. Rome immediately fell into chaos. Rival emperors fought for control. The Senate sent desperate messengers begging him to return and fix it. His answer became one of the most quietly stunning moments in all of history. He told them that if they could see the cabbages he had planted with his own hands, they would never ask again. The man who once commanded armies chose a garden, not because he was broken, not because he was forced. He just decided he was done, and he meant it.